My name is Anna. I will read. I prepared. I have a question about what to do when you finally tired your wings. I have been interested in the question, what is beyond the universe's shells since my childhood. So happened that I had to change two religions, which was very painful for me. I was feeling like I was cheating God twice. Finally, I found Advaita Vedanta, direct path, pathless path, Sparsha Yoga, Mandukya, and whatever we call it. My spiritual life was quite painful, and even though I was a great believer and worshipper, but I ended up that I believe nothing anymore. There is no free will, no God. There is no problem of evil, existence, non-existence. There is no possibility of self-realization for ego. Ego will never be self-realized. Even so, I logically do not believe in all this religious stuff anymore. I am not an agnostic, because my inner self is calling me still. I mean, I do not believe in God, but I know only that I amness cannot be denied. So, I have tired my wings, and I do not believe in any sadhana anymore. Any ideas what to do now?
The answer is there in your question, the last part of it. When you say, I do not believe in any God or any sadhana anymore, any ideas what to do? That means you do believe in sadhana and God or whatever, something is there. Because otherwise, if we are really, the wings are tired and we are at peace, we wouldn't ask. Yeah. A good check is my suffering ended? Am I at effortless and limitless peace? And if I say no, are all my questions resolved? Is my struggle in life over? No. Then the path is still there. Nothing is wasted. When you say, I struggle, I do not know your personal history of which religions you have gone through. All the great religious traditions of the world have the core of truth in them, especially in their mystical part of it, no matter what language they put them in. And nothing is wasted. If you have sincerely followed those paths for some time, you said you let go of something twice, and yet they have left behind their sediment of truth in you. It's there. Those are not lost. You can look back upon the practices, upon the convictions which were helpful to you at one time. You may not strongly hold on to or be over-enthusiastic about it right now, but they're still useful for you. Now, Advaita itself, of course, I'm a little biased towards Advaita Vedanta. I've heard this again and again, like what Anna just said. That I have finally come to Mandukya, Ashtavakra. I consider it a kind of finishing school, like a Swiss finishing school. A finishing school for spiritual seekers. You don't have to come here, which gives a nice finish if you do come here. My advice to you will be what Vivekananda said once. Listen to all this. Let it wash through you. It'll go like it is gone, but it will leave behind a sediment of truth inside you. Each one of those paths you're talking about, I mean, I know about Advaita, I don't know about the other ones you mentioned. They have answers to this question. What can I do now? What is there remaining? In Advaita Vedanta, if you ask this question, they will say, go back to listening again. The first sign of a spiritual breakthrough for a spiritual seeker is the seeking will stop. Not because I don't believe in it, I don't understand it, I don't think there's anything there. Rather, because you have found it, you are no longer a spiritual seeker. How long will you be seekers? Be spiritual finders. I have found it. My advice to you would be to relax, let it go, get on with life. You will see you will not be able to, because you are a serious spiritual seeker. That's why it will haunt you if you don't find the answers. Then look back upon what you have done. We know enough. We have studied enough, looked enough, practiced enough, so we know enough. We know where the answers lie. Take a look again in a very relaxed way. Whether it's a devotional practice, whether it is a philosophical inquiry, whether it is a meditative practice. Swami Vivekananda said the fourfold combination of the 4 yogas: inquiry, meditation, love and devotion, and service. And all of them together, that makes for a harmonious life. Which I don't believe in it. No, you do. You're just saying it. Go ahead and do it. You will find benefit from all of them, at least from one of them. Some of them will become very real for you. Just go ahead and do something for others without asking for anything. You will find peace. Go ahead and sit and meditate in the practice which you have done for months and years. Quietly, without expecting anything. You will find peace. Love God without with abandon, without asking for anything in return. You will immediately find peace and happiness. All of the paths are open. They are all waiting. Do it in a relaxed way, and nothing has been lost. All that you have done till now, they have left behind a sediment of truth in you.